Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error on Coinbase in 2026. Are you getting the something went wrong error on Coinbase? Here's how to fix it step by step. Now before we start, this is the error you might be encountering. As you can see, you're logged into your Coinbase account and this error appears. It says we're sorry, but something went wrong. Now if you're encountering this error, the first thing you want to do is to refresh the page. It starts simple. Just refresh the app or browser by clicking on the rotation arrow and wait for the page to refresh, then try again. If that doesn't work, try checking the internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your connections, either while using your PC or your mobile device. You can switch and choose the connection that is faster and more reliable. You can also clear the cache and the app data. On mobile, you can clear the app's cache by going to settings, and then you're going to go to the app section where you're going to look for the Coinbase app. Once you find it, you're going to click on it and access the settings, and there you're going to click on the storage section, and in the bottom right corner, you're going to see an option to clear the cache. Click on it. Now, on desktop, you're just going to go and click on the three dots here, and then you're going to click on browsing data, delete browsing data, and you can clear the cache. Now, you can also update the app if you're using a mobile device. Just make sure you're using the latest version of Coinbase by going to the store. And then you can also check the Coinbase server status. Sometimes the issue is on Coinbase side during high traffic. So you can check that out and try to log out and back in. You can sign out completely and then log back in. Now, temporary server issues usually resolve within minutes, especially during heavy market volatility. And that's how you fix the something went wrong error on Coinbase in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.